Hello and welcome to the Bankers Bank of the Year Awards. In this video, I'll be speaking to the winners of the Banking in the Community Award. I'm here now with Emma Haines, Director of Income Generation at upReach, and Jack Moore, an analyst at Bank of America, a former upReach associate and now an upReach trustee. Thank you for joining me. Emma, so what work does upReach do in supporting undergraduates who are looking to enter in the banking world?
So upReach is a social mobility charity, and as you said, we work with undergraduate students who are at university but particularly come from a lower socio-economic background. And we work with 3,000 associates at the moment, so a great deal of associates benefit from upReach, and we provide them employment support as they go through their years at university. This could look like anything from insight days to CV advice to mock interviews and everything in between. It's really, really important work. It gives them access to networks and communities they wouldn't otherwise be able to access themselves. They each have a program coordinator. That role is super important because they offer bespoke support to those individuals. So talking them through their applications, talking them through their interviews, picking them up, dusting them off again if they don't get through that first one. That's really important, that kind of pastoral care as well. And we work with Bank of America particularly on our banking and finance springboard. So that is focused on getting students into the banking and finance careers.
And Jack, you used to be an upReach associate and now you're also an upReach trustee and you work at Bank of America. So what support did upReach provide you in getting your job at Bank of America?
upReach's support was undeniably incredible to my journey. I got into first year at university realising that I was a much smaller fish in a much bigger pond than I anticipated, and the competition bar was so much higher than what I was used to from my small village at home. I tried to apply for the internships in my first year, wasn't successful. Found upReach and I got a program coordinator who helped massively with things like CV reviews, cover letter reviews. I got insights with some large name banks which massively supported in that application process. And I learned a lot about what it is to be a professional in the City of London, because this is something that a lot of us from my kind of background never learn.
And a question for you both now, but I'll start with Emma. So what do you think can be done to support more young people in becoming more socially mobile and getting these kind of jobs? And what can these companies like the ones here tonight at the awards do to actually help more young people?
A lot can be done. Talking about social mobility is really key. If individuals see similar people from similar backgrounds in really important roles within banking, whatever industry actually, that's really important. Kind of seeing is believing. I think the other really important area is collaboration. I think the Bank of America and upReach collaboration that we've got is a really excellent example of this. We've been working with the bank for 8 years now, and it's been absolutely pivotal in our growth. They support a number of different initiatives on top of the banking and finance. So we've had hundreds of mentors mentoring a number of associates. They have been absolutely key in our mentoring network, Ask an Expert, and they've also been our headline sponsor for the Student Social Mobility Awards for the past 6 years as well.
And Jack, from your experience, what do you think would be best used to help young people get into these kind of roles?
I may be biased, but I think Bank of America has done an incredible job. They've started that conversation. They've begun measuring their impact through the number of associates they're supporting, the amount of associates that are coming to insight events to learn, get that experience, network with people like myself and my colleagues. It creates that network and gets them opportunities that they would have never had before.
Well, thank you so much for your time and congratulations again on your award win.
Thank you so much.